TV64 dads are the funniest.
Now take those off and go wait for me in the car.
Maybe I read all the time because Dad never took an interest in me. He's too busy coddling the milk order.
Wait, what?
Hello, Jerry, it's your father. Oh, hi, Dad. Listen, is it all right if we move in with you for a little while?
That's all it is. Watch. Swipe, swipe, squirt, and you're out.
The funniest dads are on TV64. Fun happens here. This holiday, give thanks for the funny,
You don't have to be so funny.
the family, the foolish.
Let's go, Maggie, come on!
There's 4 more ways to laugh on TV64, and it doesn't stop there.
Laughter's happy, and that terrifies you.
TV64, where holiday laughs and fun happens here. TV64. Oh, what fun it is to watch. It's the holiday feeling you get when someone finds the reason for the season.
Well, that's weird.
Nothing says holidays like the excitement of seeing family.
What?
'Tis the season with more fun ways to watch and laugh together. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Holiday laughs right here on TV64. Fun happens here. Spring begins a colorful season of laughter on TV64. Enjoy the beauty of spring, plus the shows you love to watch.
Did you pick up my secret ingredient?
Yes, Arthur, here's your salt.
Love it. I don't love it. I love it.
Ah, the fresh breeze in the garden, blue skies, and the scent of lilies. This spring, relax and laugh watching your favorite shows right here on TV64. Fun happens here. TV64 wishes you a happy new year. Why not celebrate with our daytime core TV lineup? It's binge-worthy.
Set it off in here. What's up with you?
And it's all right here weekdays from 1 to 5. 4 shows,
We don't like either side here.
4 hours of fun.
You need to be sober 7 days a week.
Knock my socks off.
Oh, don't do the cry thing with me.
This court is now in session.
And the verdict is clear. It's a guilty pleasure. Here's to a new year and new reasons to watch your favorite shows on TV64.